Because it's similar to honey, a common cough treatment, the authors of a recent study thought agave might also treat nighttime cough in kids. While agave didn't perform any better than a placebo, both agave and the placebo were better than nothing at all. I'm Erin White with your latest health news. Citing a high desire from parents for effective infant and toddler cough treatments, the researchers set out to examine the effect of agave nectar on nighttime cough. They found that agave nectar appeared to improve symptoms compared to no treatment, but so did a placebo. Agave nectar does not contain botulism-causing bacteria, something that honey, a common cough treatment, may carry, which is the reason infants younger than 1 cannot eat honey. Speak with a pediatrician about safe cough treatment options for your child.